Welcome back. I'm joined again by Amelia and Britton here, who are both performing in this weekend's production of Spongebob. Super excited about the show. It is tonight and Saturday at 7 o'clock. And you guys are actually not, it's at Joplin High School, but you're not both from Joplin. You go to Joplin High School, yes. You go to Mount Vernon. There's kids in the production that are from other schools as well. You guys are all part of this summer program. Tell me a little bit about it.
Southwest Missouri Regional Youth Theater is involving all the schools in the area. And for this show, we have 5 different schools. We have Joplin, Webb City, Mount Vernon, Neosho, and Carl Junction.
Okay. Did you, now you told me that you guys briefly knew each other before, but now obviously you know a lot more about each other. Was it that way with most of you, or were there a lot of kids in this program that you met for the first time this summer?
I think all of us being so close in region and all of us having that common bond of theater, we would go see each other's shows or we would go see other things. And we would say, oh, wow, they're really, really good. And so bringing all of us all together to one spot where we all briefly knew each other but didn't was awkward at first.
Oh, yeah.
But then as we kept on going through the rehearsal process, there's been a really, really strong bond of camaraderie with it.
So tell me about the program. How did it start? How long was it? Is this is the culmination of it?
Yes. It started last year with Shrek, correct?
It was a great show. Yes. It was really cool to see a bunch of fresh faces coming together to put together such a fun show. Because, I mean, with like just the theater from your school, you know everyone. It's kind of just like, it's really cool to have them, but it's like the same thing every single time. It's always the same people. And so having a bunch of new faces, new talent coming together is super fun.
And you can bounce off of each other what they know, and then you learn more that way when you have the fresh faces in there.
Especially with each theater program being different and how people are taught, being able to bring together like 6 different programs of like people who have learned the art differently and all being able to bounce ideas off and on it of each other. It's really, really cool just getting to realize like the difference in mindsets from like different people.
And you guys were sharing a sweet story during the break about how you guys had met briefly through show choir and your schools had kind of connected that way. Will you share that with us again?
Oh yeah. So Mount Vernon and Joplin show choirs, I think we just saw each other's shows and we're like, this is so cool. Because I remember seeing your show for the first time and I was like, this is the coolest show I've ever seen. It's so cool and unique. And everyone from our show choir loved Mount Vernon. We made signs for them. We like cheered for them extra loud. We always sat in the front row just to watch them at competitions.
And then we made signs back for them, and then we would go to their post show. And then ever since then, like me and one of my best friends have been like trying to get people to go support the Joplin Theater Department and go support them in all of their endeavors, just because of like how sweet everybody has been. I don't know, just having that much overwhelming support, you just want to do good things for good people.
Yeah.
So you guys knew each other going into this program, and and you've made a lot more connections this way, which is awesome in the theater world. Yes. Okay, so let's talk again about SpongeBob. The show this weekend. It's fun. It's fun for the whole family.
Oh yeah.
You play the role of SpongeBob.
Yes.
And you play Squidward.
Yes.
We talked about how like fun it was to get into that role. This was your. What would you say the best part of this play is?
Definitely.
Do you have a favorite scene or?
Ooh, I really like No Control.
I really like No Control. Everybody is going crazy. Chaos has gone throughout the entire town. Everybody is interpreting it differently.
Like the end is coming.
Yes, the end is coming. And we have this really cool part where we have like strobe effects.
And slow-mo.
And like, so you see like partial bits of people and you see everybody freaking out all at the same time. And it's just a really, really cool visual. And I also really like the end, like, because we have this song called Best Day Ever, and which is also a song from the show, but it's like redone. And everybody just kind of comes together for this really, really solemn moment as like the end is coming.
And like, this is it. We all have to join together, stop our fighting, and just kind of enjoy our 7 minutes we have left.
Yes, because no matter how much arguing there is, like there's all the consensus, like we're all here together for the same purpose. Like, you know, let's just like lay down everything and just be together.
We don't want to spoil how it ends.
No,
keep
we
that
would never.
as a surprise.
We would never.
Yes.
But, yeah, and in case you didn't watch the other segment, there's this volcano coming or something, explosion. So
like it's like the apocalypse.
Yeah.
The world is about to end. There's a volcano about to destroy the entire town, and there's really no way to stop it.
So you guys are dealt with this dilemma and then have to problem solve.
Yes.
Oh,
come
yeah.
up with a solution. All right. So that is fun. And again, the show is tonight and tomorrow night at 7 o'clock at the Joplin High School. Tickets are $8 for children and senior citizens and $10 for adults. Recommend everybody to come out.
Oh, yeah.
Come out and see Amelia and Britton and the rest of the cast from
Yes.
the program. So excited for you guys.
Thank you.
All right. Break a leg.
Thank you.
Or 4 legs.
Or 4.
We'll be right back.